Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Hanu Life Hacks. I'm back with my next video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 7 hacks to become rich. Yes, you heard it right. I have learned these hacks from a wonderful book called The Richest Man in Babylon, and this video is my take on what I learned from it. Before knowing these 7 hacks, let me talk about the book a little. The Richest Man in Babylon, which was first published in 1926, was written by Mr. George Samuel Clayson. In the book, he says, to bring your ambitions and desires to fulfillment, you must be successful with money. This book is regarded as a classic of personal financial advice. It would be an excellent choice for those who respond to qualitative motivation and storytelling. The USP of this book is that principles in acquiring the wealth remain unchanged since 4,000 years. These hacks are old as gold and can be applied in current times too. In this book, the main character or the titular richest man is Arkad. He narrates his life experiences in the form of short stories which help in gaining wealth. As per the book, Arkad was a simple man who started earning working as a scribe. He used to write documents at a library in Babylon. The interesting feature of this book is how Arkad becomes the richest man from a mere wage earner. Shocked to know this, one day the king asks Arkad about his success. Then Arkad explains the secrets in the form of 7 cures to a lean purse. These are the 7 hacks which I am going to talk about now. Let's start, friends. Hack 1. Let the wallet grow bigger. Arkad's first cure for a lean purse is to make it fat. He says, for every 10 coins you earn, spend 9 and save the 10th one. Yes friends, we all need to make our wallets bigger and bigger each day. In other words, we need to save at least 10% of our earnings. It doesn't matter how much you earn, keep aside this portion of it. Do not spend it. In a while, you will notice you are starting to build the wealth. Remember friends, all the rich started with small amount of money only. Hack 2. Control your expenses. In his second cure, Arkad says, budget your expenses to pay for your necessities and enjoyments without spending more than 9/10 of your earnings. Often we confuse ourselves the necessary expenses with our desires. We have to thoughtfully study our habits of living. Wherever possible, unnecessary expenses are to be eliminated. I suggest you to make a budget. Try to stick to it. Having said that, I'm not advising you to overstrain or try to save too much. We all have to enjoy life no matter what. But remember, enjoying life doesn't mean spending on unnecessary things. Don't restrict yourself from buying what you wish for, but keep in mind this equation. Income minus savings is equal to expenses. Hack 3. Put your income to work. In his third cure, Arkad says, learn to make your treasure work for you. Make it your slave. Make its children and its children's children work for you. Remember, I told in hack 1 to put at least 10% of your income into savings. Now, the third hack is all about it. Put that saved income to work. After a considerable amount of savings, use that money to make more money. Invest the savings wisely. Try searching on the internet about various ways to do so. Talk to your friends and family who possess the knowledge of wealth management. Alternatively, there are professionals who can be approached to discuss the investment modes. Try investing friends, no matter how small the amount is. Hack 4. Protect the income from losses. Arcad in his fourth cure says, guard your treasures from loss. First and foremost principle of investment is ensuring security for your money. Do not be misled by any means to make wealth rapidly. Remember friends, good things take time. Do not search for shortcuts which may end up as traps. Do not end up in loss with your hard-earned money. Do not burn hands and regret later. Hack 5. Make profitable investments. Arcad in his fifth cure talks about owning a home. He talks about the happiness it brings. Here, I suggest you to start investing in real estate or gold, which helps you in accumulating wealth. Do remember an important point that these investments should be profitable. In other words, start accumulating assets, not liabilities. Hack 6. Think ahead of future. In his sixth cure, Arcad says to ensure a future income. He meant to take care of coming days where the income may not be as regular as is now. What I advise you is that think of future from now itself. Make wise investments which will make you feel stress-free when your regular source of income is hampered owing to any number of reasons like retirement, loss of job, etc. Always be prepared for any uncertainty that may arise in the future. Hack 7. Desire should be strong and definite. In the last and seventh cure, Arcad talks about increasing the ability to earn by keeping desires strong and definite. Keep the desires simple also. If they are too difficult to achieve, they defeat their own purpose. At the same time, do not desire for temporary things. They give you pleasure for the moment at the cost of your hard-earned money. Try with small accomplishments, then aim for larger ones. This is the process by which wealth is accumulated, first in smalls and then in larger amounts. Also, you should keep on increasing your ability to increase income by expanding your skill set. Keep upgrading your skills in your current field. If interested, try to acquire skills outside your work area. Try to create a side hustle along with your regular job. The ways are many. Choose and decide the one which best suits you. With this, the video has come to an end, friends. Start trying these hacks and soon you will be benefited. I hope this video has helped you in some way or the other. Give a thumbs up if you like my video. Share it with your family and friends. Do let me know what you felt in the comment box. Also tell me if you would like a similar video on other famous books. And finally, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye guys.